Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Here we are again. We are going to be looking at BB. BlackBerry stock in the past day or so has unfortunately been down. We have fallen down by about 0.18%. Bear in mind guys, today is a day where a lot of the market is unfortunately down. So we are seeing that trend actually reflect in BB share price so far, down by about 1.84% now for the day. Don't get me wrong, there is still some time to go. But as always, in this video, I'm giving some of my personal thoughts and opinions. If it sounds good, make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe, as I do like to share my opinions on all sorts of stocks on a daily basis. If you guys enjoy it, I will make more of it, especially on BB stock. You can join us on Twitter at N2S Finance, very similar to how it is here on YouTube. You can join us on our website called marcus-daily.com. You can find the link in the description, or you can just follow me on Twitter and I will update you guys whenever I do post an article on there. And now we are going to jump into the video. So first things first, we can see on the more simple charts the trend for BlackBerry over the past day and then over the past 5 days and so on and so forth. In the past day, we have risen from 9.30 till about 9.36. We hit highs up here of 10.48. From there, we have fallen, unfortunately. This brought us down to a price of $10.06, where we have unfortunately bounced off that $10 range and actually came back up, which is very good to see actually. So I'm very happy that we have managed to make it back up. So it's very unfortunate that we have been seeing this trend down on BlackBerry ever since Wednesday, but you know what, now we do appear to be consolidating above the $10 range, which is fantastic. Again, it hasn't been for the whole day, it has been from about 110 onwards, but we are still there and it does look to be quite good so far. Hopefully we can remain there for the rest of the day, if not see an ever so slight increase, but I do think unfortunately today is probably going to close in the red for BlackBerry. Now, in the past 5 days, we can see that from Tuesday into Wednesday, a massive jump occurred. We came from a price of $9.90 all the way up to these highs of $10.98. Now, another thing to note is that you would expect a little bit of a sell-off after this big rise anyway, so that does also kind of make sense that we are seeing a bit of a drop in price in the past 2 or so days. The past month for BlackBerry now is looking pretty bad. We can see that we've fallen from highs up here in the $12 range all the way now down to the low $10 range, but it isn't really too concerning considering the massive rise that we have been seeing in BlackBerry in the past months. We have seen from June onwards this price has gone from $15 all the way down to $10. But bear in mind, from before then we were sat on about $7, so yes, we are still up if you would have bought the stock on about the middle of June, so the middle of May rather, so you can see things are still looking okay for BlackBerry in my opinion. Now, as always, we are going to move out to the more technical charts, give a bit more opinion and a bit more sense to what is going on. We can see here on the 1 day, a few things are clear. We are definitely above that moving average so far. We currently sat on 10.16. We can see the moving average slightly below that, looking to be on about 10.15, I do believe it is. So things really not too far off. We are pretty true to that right now, so that's completely fine. We're sat on a RSI figure of 54. 54 is about neutral. Bear in mind, guys, 50 is exactly neutral, so 54 is not too far off that at all. We can see that the MACD trend has been becoming increasingly bullish most recently, but it has fallen down ever so slightly most recently because we have seen that little bit of a drop after the steep rise in share price. And bear in mind, there is still quite a bit of time until markets do close, so a lot could happen in that period, but this is what we are seeing so far. Now we have down here the 5-day moving average, which we can see is slightly above where we are right now. This is due to the big rise that we have had in share price and then the subsequent drop that we saw. So yes, we are slightly below that at the moment. We can see the RSI figure down here is at 49. So 50 is neutral, as I said. So 49 is basically there. Nothing to be concerned about in my opinion. We are seeing the 1 month chart showing us a moving average of about $12 at $11.84. This is obviously going to be higher than where we are right now, as this is a 50-day moving average, so it does track the past 50 days and it is going to be lagging behind where the share price is right now, so it does just make clear sense. The RSI figure down here is currently sat on 42, not far off neutral and nothing to be concerned about, ever so slightly towards the oversold side, but definitely nowhere near that yet in my opinion. And we can see the MACD trend, whilst it was bearish for quite a while, it does appear now to be crossing over, and we definitely could see that coming back bullish again very, very soon. And the past 3 months just shows that a little bit more clearly, and the trends that we have been seeing, and ultimately outlines why the moving average is slightly above where we are right now and why those lines have crossed over. So that's what we're seeing for BlackBerry in the past 3 months. Again, there are definitely mixed opinions on that, on the stock going forwards as well. And again, I just came here to give some of my opinions and look at what the stock has been doing in the past few months. Obviously, if you'd have bought BlackBerry early on, you would not be too concerned and you would have still made some profits. But again, BlackBerry right now, it is very hard to say where it is going to go in the future. Tell me your thoughts and opinions down below. I think if we can remain above the $10 mark, I would be happy with BlackBerry, but I just want to see what happens going forwards into the end of today and obviously going forwards into next week as well. Tell me what you think down below, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching. See you soon.